Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make mango cake without using any cream, without egg and without oven. So let's get started with this yummy cake recipe. To make the mango cake, I'll be using 2 ripe mangoes. So first I'll cut the mango into half. And now I will cut the mango into cubes like this, so that it's easy to extract the mango pulp. In a small bowl, I will keep some diced mangoes separately. This is for later use. And now I will transfer this to a mixer grinder to make a smooth mango puree. Mango puree is ready, and now transfer this to a bowl. Next, I am going to transfer the mango puree to a measuring cup, which is half cup. I will transfer the half cup mango puree to a bowl where I will make the cake batter. Next, I'll be adding half cup of powdered sugar. Now mix the powdered sugar well with the mango puree so that it combines well. Next, I'll be adding here 1/4 cup of refined oil, half cup of yogurt or dahi. Now give a nice whisk to all the ingredients so that everything combines well. Next goes 1 cup of refined flour or maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Now very slowly mix everything together. Keep on whisking until you get the required consistency for the cake batter. After whisking for 8 to 10 minutes, my cake batter is ready now. I'll be adding the mango cubes which I had kept separately and mix well along with the cake batter. And now I will grease some oil in my cake tin. Place a butter paper. Now pour the cake batter into the greased cake tin. With the help of a spatula, spread the cake batter evenly. And now gently tap 2 to 3 times to release air bubbles. I have already preheated my karahi. Now place a wire stand and gently place the cake tin on top of it. And now we will bake the cake for at least 40 minutes on low to medium flame. It's 40 minutes. Let's check the cake. I will insert a toothpick and check. The toothpick has come out clean. It means the cake is baked properly. So turn off the flame. In the meantime, I will prepare the mango glaze. For that, heat a non-stick pan and add half cup of mango puree, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Now mix well. You need to saute the mango puree on low to medium flame for at least 6 to 8 minutes. And now mango glaze is ready now. So turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. My mango cake has also cooled down. Now I will transfer the cake to a plate. Remove the butter paper. And my mango cake has turned out very soft and spongy. And now I will apply the mango glaze. Spread evenly. Apply the mango glaze on top of the cake as well as on the sides of the cake. I have finished applying the mango glaze all over the cake, and now I'm going to decorate the cake like a mango rose. So let's get started. For that you need 1 ripe mango, but the mango should be firm. Now slice the mango into half. I will slice the other half also. And now I will slice the mango into thin strips like this. While slicing, see to it that all the slices should be of the same thickness, neither too thin nor too thick. I have finished slicing the mango and now I will start with the decoration. Start layering from the edge of the cake. Place the mango slices slightly overlapping one another the way I am doing right now. Keep on forming layers by overlapping the mango slices. See to it that there should be no gap in between the layers. While layering at the center, take smaller slices. Also, you need to slightly fold the mango slices while placing, just the way I am doing right now, but do this very gently. I have finished layering and here goes my mango rose cake. I will now cut a small portion of my mango cake to show the inside part of the cake. And here goes my mango rose cake in the plate. On a closer look, you can see the small mango chunks inside the cake. So friends, do try this yummy mango cake recipe, and if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Also check out the links of my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.